kids! Good morning and welcome to the Children Sparks Education Channel. Today, we're exploring the letter D of the alphabet. Let's have some fun learning together.
D says D. D says D. Dog, dog, D, D, D.
Let us say together.
D says D. D says D. Dog, dog, D, D, D.
Excellent, children! Shall we sing a song together?
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me playing on my drum. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me playing on my drum.
D. D for dog.
Let us say together.
D. D for dog.
Excellent.
D is for duck. Duck. D is for drums. 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 D is for dog. Dog. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur. D is for diamond. Diamond.
Let us say together.
D is for duck. Duck. D is for drums. 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 D is for dog. Dog. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur. D is for diamond. Diamond.
Wonderful.
D. Duck, duck, duck. Good job. Great. Woohoo. D. Duck, duck, duck. Well done. Amazing. Woohoo. D. Duck, duck, duck. Good job. Great. Woohoo. D. Duck, duck, duck. Well done. Amazing. Woohoo.
Dear children, you did an awesome job! You're becoming amazing readers. Each video helps you learn more sounds and words. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. We're so proud of you. Keep up the great work and stay excited for your next learning adventure.